Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very basic algebra problem in which we have to find the value of x. We are given root x plus root 2 equals to root 32. Now bring this root 2 to the right hand side. We get root x equals to root 32 minus root 2. Now take square on both sides. We get root x square equals to root 32 minus root 2 whole square. So root x square equals to x. Now root 32 minus 2 whole square equals to root 32 square plus root 2 square minus 2 times root 32 times root 2. As we know, a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So on solving this, we get x equals to 32 plus 2 minus 2 times root 32 times 2 equals to root 64. So on solving this, we get x equals to 32 plus 2 equals to 34 minus 2 times under root 64 is 8. So on solving this, we get x equals to 34 minus 2 times 8 equals to 16, and 34 minus 16 is equal to 18. So the value of x is 18. Further, let's solve this by using another method. Name this equation 1. So from 1, we have x equals to 32 plus 2 minus 2 raised to power 1 times root 32 can be written as 2 raised to power 5 bracket 1 by 2 times root 2 can be written as 2 raised to power 1 by 2. So on solving this further, we get 32 plus 2 equals to 34 minus 2 raised to power 1 plus 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Now on taking the LCM, we get 2 raised to power 2, 2 plus 5 plus 1. On solving this further, it will become 34 minus 2 raised to power 2 plus 5 plus 1 equals to 8 by 2. Now this will go cancel out. We get 4. So 34 minus 2 raised to power 4, that is 34 minus 16 equals to 18. So we have found the value of x using these two methods. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.